Welcome to Delkevic on YouTube.
This bike has been fitted with a set of prototype expansion chamber performance exhausts, which are available in 3 different types of finishing: chrome plated, ceramic coated matte black, oiled steel. These exhausts may require specific fuel settings unique to each bike. Therefore, we recommend they are professionally installed and set up accordingly. Please visit our website for further details on availability and pricing. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it's been informative and that you've enjoyed it. If so, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button and also subscribing, which will enable us to keep you up to date with our latest content releases and special offers.